Are you stuck in losing your weight? Maybe my story can help you out. Friends, I remember that when I was 17 years old and when I started my journey from a chubby teen boy to the muscular man. For the first time, when I started my gym, the diet and the only simple exercises has impacted my life and my whole body in such a way that it has changed and transformed my personality from 17-year boy or chubby boy to I have become a fully muscular man when I reached the age 21, 22. But suddenly after that, the one thing has started coming that my body has adapted the changes, and because of the wrong information in the market, I did some crash diets and where I have to cope into it. Today I like to talk about the what are the three major changes which I have adapted in my life, which has impacted my life in when I reach my 36 years of age, but still I am on the peak of my fitness. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their fat. I help them to achieve their dream personality and I provide them some of the tools so that which impact and which help them to change their lifestyle. Friends, I really worked hard so much in my life to achieve the fitness, but I was not aware about the good diets, what are the good sources of food, and what are the science behind the workouts, which has impacted my life so much. Otherwise, I would have achieved my fitness level in a very early age. I started really good, but because of the wrong information in the market, the people were telling me that reduce your food, still your stomach is out, you need to do so much hard work, don't consume protein, don't take any supplements. These all are the myths in the market has impacted my life so badly. I used to feel tired when I used to go into my office after doing my gymming, and I was not aware that where I am lacking. But the lack was in the nutrition. Friends, if we compare a single chapati along with the 5 white egg, then both has the same types of calories. But if I'm going to consume the 5 eggs, it's going to make me feel full, and the body and the digestive system going to utilize more energy out of it to get the digestion happen. So that's why the energy it's going to release would be less. But the maintenance part and the energy which I'm going to receive from the eggs is more than the chapati. For all the vegetarian people, I would like to clarify to them that the egg is just an example. You can also take the example of tofu on the same place. The tofu, around 50-gram tofu is also plays the same role, or 100-gram tofu also plays the same kind of impact like the 5 egg, and both has a equal calorie like the chapatis. That's why you need to concern about your health so much. You need to have the knowledge about it, that first of all what are the nutrition food, how to cook them well, and how to apply the science of protein, carbs and fats in your life. Today I will give you the three key points which I have adapted once I reach the 32 years of my age and after joining the 7 dietitians in my life, but no one was able to help me out. So that's why you don't need to be fail in your fitness journey with my experience. What I did, I will today tell you. Basically, I have adapted the three changes. The first change which I adapted, that I come to know about, that whatever the science is in the market, there is only one science which is applicable, that if you are going to consume less calories than your body requirement, then you are going to lose your weight. And I applied this science, but the results were slow. But once I find out the science, my weight has stopped increasing. Now I was able to replace many of the things from my food which earlier was bad for me, because I was not taking care about my tea and other stuffs or even the sugar foods in my life. So that's why calorie counting has really impacted me or impact my life so much. But once now I really wanted to see my changes in a faster way. So the second thing which I have adopted, that the science behind the workouts. There are many workouts which are known as the cardio acceleration, metabolism condition, and HIIT, and Tabata. Tabata is a part of HIIT. How to apply these all workouts in the simple forms of exercises, and not only I was able to complete my workout within the half time of what I used to do when I was trying to lose my weight, but it was also impacting me so much. First of all, I was not able to do those workouts. Then slowly and progressively, I have progressed in my workouts. Now the workout is another thing which was impacting me from outside in terms of my metabolism. Now the third impact is the science behind the food. Friends, for the first time, I was aware, for the first time when I tried the keto diet or the intermittent fasting, I failed drastically. I My weight was increased around 4 kg out of my failed attempts of keto diet and intermittent fasting, because I was not applying the science of reverse dieting, and I was not applying the science of calorie counting. If you know the science about the reverse dieting, calorie counting, intermittent fasting, or keto diet, then definitely you can be fit for your whole life. Even you can also enjoy your pizza, but you are aware that what is going inside of you and how you can maintain in your next day. And how does your body work? Because we all have the different genes, and it doesn't mean that whatever kind of things that works for me will work for you, but the system and the formula is quite same. That's why I enjoy my food very much. I feel energetic very much. I feel happy from inside of me. So this is how I'm working. These are some of the 3 changes which I adapted. The number 1 change which I have told you, that I got the knowledge of the calorie science. The second thing, I got the knowledge of the workout. And the third thing is science behind the food. And I know how I have maintained or make the balance out of it. If you're going to apply, then you can also do it. Friends, if you want to start your health journey, then I have created an ebook for you where you will find the beginner workout and the beginner diet plan for the 7 days. If you want me to give you some personal guidance, or if you are looking forward to change your life, you want to know about the tools, what are the workouts, how the workouts you should do, how to apply the workout science even in your gymming also, and what kind of diet will be beneficial for you, how to make plates, and how to adapt a fit lifestyle in your life, how to be energetic for your whole day, then you can contact me or message me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.